Greetings and welcome to the Supreme Court Historian YouTube channel. This is going to be a short video discussing the channel's mission and focus. The reason I'm making this video at this stage is because of some feedback that I've received, and I was really pleased and pleasantly surprised to receive a couple of emails over the last day or so about where we intend to go with this channel, about what all we hope to cover, and that is why I am discussing this in this pretty short video. The mission statement, as it were, of the channel is to journey through the history chronologically of the Supreme Court through its various important judgments. These significant judgments have been given right from the first year of the inauguration of the Supreme Court, and we will continue that journey chronologically all the way to the present day, whatever that present day ends up being. The targeted end date is 26th January 2025. 75 years will be complete that day, 75 years of the Republic, of the inauguration of the Constitution, of the inauguration of the Supreme Court of India. And so all of the landmark, milestone, seminal, significant, important judgments given by the Supreme Court during those 75 years will be discussed and analyzed in these videos. Now that, of course, despite being a close-ended journey, nonetheless covers a lot of material, as you can imagine. So I will be focusing mostly on constitutional law and also on taxation law. The logic behind that is that those are the two fields of law that I feel most of us interact with day in and day out without realizing it most of the times. But effectively, that is the significant part of our daily lives, where the interaction with the state continues even if it is in the background, especially now that the GST is in force appropriately. We continuously are interacting with the state through those means. That does not mean that we will be totally ignoring the other fields of law, the other sectors, the other topics on which the Supreme Court has opined. I have made a short and not exhaustive list over here: family law, criminal law, contracts, consumer protection, torts, international law. This, as I said, is not an exhaustive list. There are many things as well outside this which we will cover, like administrative law, conflict of laws, and many other significant judgments that fall in different fields of the law of our country. So Indian law, of course, being such a massive country with the largest population living in a democracy today, and perhaps consequently the longest constitution in the world. So obviously there is a lot of ground to cover, which would mean that it is possible that I might forget, out of oversight, one or two landmark judgments, hopefully one or two and not too many, that you might wish to cover, to discuss. So please keep on with the feedback, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much for it. One of you has also bought me a tea using the buy me a coffee link that I have pasted at in the description of each video. So thank you very much for that. That is truly appreciated. But as I have mentioned in a previous video, that most of my audience I expect to be students. So just keep the views coming, and that is genuinely the support that I expect. Anything above and beyond that is welcome, but is not expected. The hope is that we keep our viewership increasing, and in case that does happen and YouTube starts telecasting advertisements along with these videos, then I request you to not switch to a browser where you have installed the ad blocker software. And if you are already a member of YouTube Premium, then you have already done more than your bit. So thank you very much. Those are just a couple of requests from my side, but mostly this video was to thank you for the feedback and the appreciation. and to discuss what we intend to do and how we intend to go about. That is basically what I wanted to cover in this short video. It's also kind of a welcome for returning viewers and listeners. So thank you very much. Hope you keep enjoying along with me. Have a great time. Bye bye.